and she swallowed it. That is a monster. Well, hi there everybody. So today I am down at Red Rock Spillway, and originally I was trying to chase some crappies, and so far I've caught everything but crappie. Caught gar, I've caught smallmouth bass, buffalo, carp. Finally just got my first crappie just a little bit ago, and it was a nice white crappie. I think it's gonna go 14 inches or so. But I haven't ran the camera much yet, just because there hasn't really been that much going on. Holy cow, that is a big gar. There's a monster gar coming my way. I tell you what, I wish I brought my bow fishing bow. I'd be having some fun. Might be my next trip. See how close this gar gets to me. Oh, he's going deep. That's a big one though. Ooh, there's a big snake. Big snake down there. All right, down there. All right. All right. All right. Stay. Pretty decent sized smallmouth. We're gonna get a good release on this. Ooh, big fat belly on it. All right. Not quite sure what this is yet, but it's putting up a good fight. Might be a buffalo. The way it's running, we'll see. My money's on a buffalo or a catfish. Gosh, there's gar just coming right up here right next to me. I am so ready for my bow fishing bow. What is this? Big old catfish. And foul hooked. He's gonna slime up my line too. Alright. See if I can get down here close enough to him without falling. There he goes. Nice catfish though. Slimed up my line really bad. Ugh. So today what I'm using is another underspin Roadrunner, and then a white 1.5 inch slider crappie, plastic. And so far what I figured out, granted I've only caught 2 crappies so far, but one nice one and one's probably about 12 inches. I'm pretty sure the nice one is another master angler white crappie. I'll measure it when I get back to the truck, but what I figured out was I'm basically just bouncing this jig off the bottom. Like I'm trying to keep it out of the rocks, working it really slow, and the crappies seem to be hitting off of the bottom right now. And it's about 4 to 5 feet deep were inside this cove here, and that's where I found the majority of them. I mean, I've caught smallmouth already, I've caught gar, I've caught plenty of channel cats, common carp. I was using minnows earlier, but man, I mean, they're just catching everything but crappie, it seems like. So I tried jig. I even threw some big zoom flukes, see if there's any wipers that might have been hitting, but I didn't get any wipers. Water's fairly still out here, so. But after seeing all these gar and these carp, I'm definitely gonna be making a bow fishing trip here pretty soon if they stay like this. So keep an eye out for that. I'll bring you guys back if I can hook anything else. Well, I haven't seen it jump yet, but I'm guessing it's another gar. It hit it as soon as my jig hit the water. We're gonna see here in a second. Putting up a good fight. Really good fight. What are you? Come on. Pretty sure it's gar. Usually they jump, and I haven't seen it jump yet. Here, come closer. Nope. He said bye-bye. Oh, another catfish. Gosh darn it. Not even targeting these things today, and I've caught enough of them as it is already. Come on. Come up here in the rocks. Can't keep these things off the hook down here. There's enough of them. Oh, wait. I'd appreciate it if you give me my jig back after you broke my line. Oh. Got quite a few of these down here today. I mean, some people consider them perfect eating size. I don't really eat channel cats. So, but jigs, minnows, heck, I've caught them on everything today. Crazy how many are in here, and a decent size too. Let's see, he tore up quite a bit of my line. Well, it's almost time for me to go. I'm gonna throw a few more casts and see if just by chance I get lucky and find a few more crappie, but I'm gonna have to go pick up the kids from school. Wasn't a very long trip today, only about 4 hours. To some, that's a lot of time to fish. To me, not. It can be. It all depends. I usually like getting out for a pretty good part of the day. If I could, I'd be out fishing or hunting all day, every day. But can't really do that sometimes because you gotta work and kids, and sometimes you have to adult even though you don't want to. We'll see if we can manage to get anything else here before I leave. Here's a good shot of the snake for you. Pretty decent sized one. He's climbing up into the rocks, trying to hide. Pretty fun way to catch gars with jigs. Granted, you have to have a jig strong enough to set a hook in his mouth, but you're able to cast in front of them and they will come attack it. They think it's a minnow. Here, we're gonna try on this one that's right up close. Watch this. Oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Oh, I missed him. It can be done. Not interested. Try over here. There's a whole school of them coming through. Oh, I'm stuck to one's back right now. Or I'm in his mouth. Oh, oh, I had that one hooked. Oh. I'm determined to hook another one before I leave. This one isn't necessarily, I could eat them, but I'm not going to today. All right, be careful on the rocks. Careful with the guy's teeth. These teeth are mean. Anyway, you're almost better off handling those with gloves. Usually they end up sliding backwards and then they end up cutting you with their gill plates. These things are everywhere in here. Oh, all in all, fairly good day. Caught a couple crappie, I think 3 total. One was too small for me to want to keep. One of them's gonna be a master angler crappie, but I'm definitely going to work on getting back out here in the next day or two. Hopefully the water stays about the same, and I'm gonna try to shoot some gar because that's fun. And when you see an opportunity like this, you want to jump on it when you can. So, and also, if you guys haven't seen already, I have shirts and decals available. Shirts are on my website on Spring, and I'll leave a link in the description below. And also my decals, just personal message me and I'm able to send those out there. $3 a decal, and I've got 4 different styles of decals. So pretty cool and a good way to support the channel and help out the upcoming videos and everything else. Wow, there's a lot of gar everywhere. So I'm gonna get heading out. Hope you guys enjoy the video and good luck out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.